Hi everyone, welcome to today's video. We've come to the end of the first week of these videos now, and I hope you're really starting to find them useful. What I've tried to do, I'm trying to find as many questions that I can that, as well as helping you to answer the specific question, also will give you some ideas of some various skills that you can use across others, okay? So I'm going to jump straight into this next question, and here it is, okay? So you can see, this is the kind of question that when I was at school I'd have run away from. There's no question about it. I wouldn't have even attempted this. And I'm guessing some of you guys watching this might actually feel the same. So what I want to do today, I want to reassure you and I want to give you the confidence to say, I'm going to try it, okay? I'm going to give this a try. I'm going to see how we get on with it, okay? So, from the question, you can see, let's break this right down, okay? All we have to do, the only thing that we need to do with this question is I've got this formula and I've got these two sets of information. The mark scheme is, well, there are 3 marks to this question. The mark scheme just simply says 1 mark for correctly substituting and finding the gravity value for Earth. Another mark for Jupiter. So it really is just a simple case of substituting the values in. Okay, so I'm going to do this on the calculator. It's probably going to make a very boring video, so I do apologise. But let's have a look. Now, something that I very often get wrong with this kind of question is that I don't use enough brackets when I'm on the calculator. So if you think this is bracket overload, then let me just explain. What I'm going to try and do, I'm going to put all of my all of the top of the formula into brackets. Now, some of those parts will need to go into brackets within that. And then the bottom, you'll see that I've got a formula, I've got R squared. Now, if you look, R is a number written in standard form. So I'm going to put the whole of the denominator in brackets so I can square it. But then within that, I'm going to have this other information as well. Okay? So if it looks like there's loads of brackets, that's why. Okay, so let's jump straight into this question. So I'm going to start by working out the surface gravity of Earth. Okay, so I'm going to plug this into the formula. Remember what I said about brackets? I'm going to start by opening a set of brackets for the whole of the top. Okay, for the whole of the numerator. So it's a 6.67 multiplied by 10 to the power of negative 11. Multiplied by, and then I'm going to open these brackets just so that I get the whole of m together, 5.98 times 10 to the power 24. Close those brackets, close the maximum brackets, the complete brackets. Divided by, and again I'm going to open the brackets, but I'm going to put the value for r in another set of brackets. So it's 6.378 times 10 to the power 6, close the brackets, squared, close the brackets, and my answer is 9.805, okay? Now, some of you may recognise that and you might think, good, this works. So I know that the value for gravity on Earth is described as 9.8. So, Earth, I have my value as 9.805. What I then need to do is I need to repeat this for Jupiter, okay? And as I repeat it for Jupiter, plug all those numbers in again, I will get an answer that is 24.796. So rather than you watch me do loads more calculating, let's go straight into this, okay? So Jupiter gives us an answer of 24.796. Let me just confirm that. 796. So 796. Okay, so we've done a lot of the work there. There's 2 out of 3 marks. You'll see though that the question wants us to work out the ratio of the surface gravities and express it in the form 1 to n. Now, if we're going to do this, what we're going to do is, you'll see we've got Earth to Jupiter. So Earth comes first, Jupiter second. And what we're going to do, because it's 1 to n, I'm just simply going to take my Jupiter value, okay, and I'm going to divide it by my Earth value. So Jupiter divided by Earth. So that will give me 24.796 divided by 9.805, which gives an answer of, in this particular, with this rounding, gives an answer of 2.5289 and so on. Okay. Now the mark scheme says that we can that any answer from 9.528 up to 5.93 will be accepted. Okay. So this is one of those technical questions where you need to be confident with your calculator. If you are confident with your calculator, then you should be able to do this without too much difficulty. Okay. So that's that question. As always, why not look at the question, see if you can work it out, see if you can get the right answer, and then cross-check it with this video as well. Okay. So that's the question. Thank you again for watching. Please keep sending your requests in, and I'll keep trying to help to make your maths revision just that little bit easier. Okay, guys, thank you ever so much, and I will speak to you soon. Cheers, bye.